Thinly sliced beef steaks are seasoned. They are shallow fried. Onion and mushroom are also added to the pan together with some seasoning, and the steaks are returned to the sauce. Today on Cravings Food Adventures, we're going to be making something really simple. This is my Goan style steak. I can't believe I haven't made it before on my channel. This reminds me of my vacations in Goa when I used to live at Longinos and stay with them and have dinner in their restaurants. And there was always this Goan steak recipe that was super delicious. I tried to replicate the flavor and I hope that you love it. Before I go any further with this recipe, to make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm using eye of round today. You can use sirloin tip or any other cut of meat that you like. These steaks are about 200 grams each for a total of 1 kilo. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and salt to taste. Now I'm going to crush 3 cloves of garlic per steak. This is about 15 cloves of garlic. I also have added 1 tablespoon of vinegar into my mortar and pestle, and I'm going to start to crush the garlic. Next, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of peppercorns per steak. I'm going to crush this as well, and once this is done, I'm going to rub this into the steak. Heat some oil and add a 1/4 cup of butter. I'm going to cook these steaks for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until there's some color on both sides, and I'm just going to keep it aside. Now I'm going to add the 2 last steaks to sear, and I'm going to add in half a cup of sliced onion. I'm also going to add half a cup of sliced mushrooms, and I'm going to allow the mushrooms to soften. I'm going to take the last 2 steaks out, and I'm going to allow the mushrooms to cook. Now, to make a little jus, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and I'm just going to add the steaks in back briefly just to pick up some color. I'm also going to add in whatever juices were collected when the meat rested. Flip them over and serve them with French fries, peas, carrot slices, onion rings, and mushrooms. This is simplicity at its best. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I know you think this is a really simple recipe. You can make this for your family and friends. It's perfect for when you're not sure what to make. It comes together so quickly. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Tell all your friends and family about my channel and my videos and have them watching as well. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as that you've rung the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.